Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and I got a box from look like Intense Oud. Not sure what it is. Let's check it out. Roll with it. All right, so I'm back in, and yep. So here's the box. We've got the Intense Oud writing on it. Not sure what's in this, but you probably already know because it's in the thumbnail, probably. So right in there. Get in there. Yeah, yeah. Get in there. Right in there. Got a nice little cut in there. See how I do. Let's see what we have in here. Got a receipt. And okay. I remember this one. This is the niche something something something. I'll have the name down there. But a few weeks ago, a little while ago, I got some samples from Scent Angel, and one of the samples that I got was cognac, plum and cognac, and it smelled amazing. I was like, "Oh wow, this smells!" And I'm thinking about getting the bottle of it, and this is supposed to be a clone of it. So this is not a new fragrance. It's been out for a while. I just haven't heard of it until I smelled the original. So, and I just smelled the original recently. So, but now that I think about it, the one that I smelled was the reformulated, or supposed to be like the older batch, but it was like the newer batch. It's a different one. The one I got is like all black. The other one, the original one, is like a clear kind of fragrance. So I'm hoping that this smells like the one that I got, because the one that I got, oh my goodness, that fragrance that's a problem. That fragrance is a problem. It's crazy. All right, so all right, so here's the box. Pretty plain box. This right here is raised up. And I know it looked like it may be coming in 3D, but it is raised off the box a little bit. On the sides, it's pretty clear. On the back, it has all the ingredients and information. Got barcode, the holographic stamp, and bottom has a hole, so it must be a box that you. Is it a hole? Yeah. So it must be a box that's inside another box. So let's see. And it looks like that's what it is. So, works. Always have a extra little booklet for you to look at some other fragrances. Ooh, wee. Okay, I'm showing you guys the back, but the front is pretty nice. Look at that. This is it's like a veil over top of it, a little pattern. Nice, and it's shiny, and I like the blue and the gold combination. It looks really good. I'm not sure if that's coming up really nice on the camera, but that looks really nice together. And then just slide it up. Oh, okay, so I thought this was see-through. Okay, so the bottle sits right down in there. Pretty nice box. Actually a nice box. Whoa, this is a heavy bottle. This bottle is really, really substantial, but the bottle sits down there in like a coffin. This is a substantial weight to a bottle. Oh my goodness. This is pretty nice. Look at that. Nice attention to detail too. It's like little red rubies. The flowers are actually cut in the flower design, actually, in the top and the bottom. It feels like this is metal. This doesn't feel like it's plastic either. This is really a nice looking bottle. The top is it's medium weight. It's not super heavy or anything like that. But whoo wee. And let's see what this smells like. Let's get a. Actually, I'm gonna get one spray in the air. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure if it's exactly the same. Oh, that spray looks better now. This is nice. Yeah. This is nice, but it doesn't have the same bite that the plum and cognac has, but it smells like the plum and cognac might be the older brother and this would be the younger brother, the more playful brother, hang around, somebody that's out running the streets or whatever, and the older brother has already got himself together, he got his career together, he's wearing suit and tie to work most of the days, and the younger brother is still going out playing ball. But it smells really good. It does smell like you can dress this up. I want to go right on skin with this because ooh wee. I think I might go. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get the sample of the plum and cognac. A little bit of alcohol blast, but it's gone already. Yeah, this smells less like alcohol. It smells less like cognac than the plum and cognac. It smells more like a whiskey, and that's what I'm just getting right now. I feel like it's changing as I'm smelling it. Yeah, it's settling down now, but the initial scent, it kind of smelled more like whiskey and plum. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Hold on a second. I'm gonna get the sample that I have. Hold on.
A few moments later.
All right, so I'm back. Here's the sample that I got from Scent Angel. See how dark it is? It's like a greenish purple. I mean greenish black. Really, really dark. Let me roll my sleeve up because I definitely don't want to get this on the sleeve. I'm sure this would stain if I was to get it on my sleeve. Yeah, it's close. It's not a clone. It's close, but this one has more woods, more incense. It's more like a cognac versus this one smells kind of like a whiskey. Oh my goodness. Yes, this is still a this is a freaking beast. This, I'm telling you, if you can go ahead and pick up a sample of this will shut the party down. I'm still thinking about getting a bottle of that, but I think the regular fragrance is maybe, I think it's like $300 or $400. So we'll see. So yeah, this one smells good. This one does smell good. I'm not saying that it doesn't smell good, but compared to this, no, it's not. It's in the same family. I wouldn't like I was saying this is like the big brother and this is like the younger brother. No, they're more like cousins. They're not like really. They're close. They're in the same family, but they're not as close as I thought they were. Not saying that this doesn't smell good. This one does smell good. I'm glad to have this. And the detail on this bottle is so nice, and it's so heavy, nice and substantial. The top clicks into place. It's nice. This is a nice fragrance, but it's not the same as rum and cognac. I mean cognac, plum and cognac. This smells amazing. Goodness gracious. But we're talking about this one right now. All right. So that's all I got for you today. I saw the box and I was like, let me see what this is and check it out. Yes. So if you have a chance, try to pick it up. This bottle is going for like maybe about between $40 and $50. So you probably could get it for a good little price. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. Talk about this new, was this Lattafa? This new fragrance. Anyway, until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.